Okay, listen. This ebook right here costs just $1.99. And guess what? It's sold over 9,000 copies. And if you Google math, do the math, that's over $18,000 from literally a super simple ebook. Crazy, right? Now, here's the best part. You don't need to be a writer. You don't need to be a designer. You don't even need to be an expert in anything. I'm going to show you step by step how you can do the same thing using nothing but a free tool called Google Nano Banana, Canva, and Etsy. Let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Google Nano Banana. This tool is honestly insane. Think of it like an AI that can create anything you want. Pictures, ebooks, coloring pages. You just tell it what to make and boom, it does the heavy lifting for you. Now in the search bar or prompt box, you're just going to type something like create a 10-page Christmas coloring book for kids. That's it. No coding, no design skills, nothing. And in just a few seconds, Nano Banana will spit out 10 completely unique, kid-friendly coloring pages. I mean, this is the type of stuff parents actually pay for to keep their kids busy. See how simple that was? Imagine trying to draw these yourself. It would take hours, maybe days. AI does it in seconds. Now, once you're happy with the pages, you just click download, save all 10 of them onto your computer, and that's your raw material right there. So next, we're going to turn those images into an actual book. Head over to canva.com. If you don't have an account, it's free. Click Create a Design and choose A4 size because that's the standard size for ebooks and printable books. Then, just drag and drop all those coloring pages you downloaded from Nano Banana into Canva. Arrange them page by page. You can even add a nice title page in the beginning, like Christmas Fun Coloring Book for Kids. Maybe throw in a little festive font, some snowflakes, make it look appealing. And just like that, you've got yourself a professional-looking coloring book. No design degree required. Once everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Download. Make sure you choose PDF print because that's the format Etsy buyers love. It's high quality and they can print it easily at home. Now, this step is super important. Most people just upload random titles like Christmas coloring book and then wonder why nobody's buying. You need to play the Etsy game, and the Etsy game is all about keywords. So here's what you do. Open ChatGPT, like create an SEO-optimized Etsy title and description for a kid's Christmas coloring book. Keep it catchy, include trending keywords, and make it sound fun for parents. ChatGPT will give you a killer title and a well-written description that actually ranks in Etsy search. Copy that, save it, and you're good to go. Now you just have to create a seller account on Etsy, and then you can upload your ebook with titles, descriptions that I told you earlier. And that's literally it. Hit publish, and your ebook is now live on Etsy's marketplace. And here's the thing, coloring books are evergreen. Kids love them, parents always buy them, and holidays like Christmas just boost the sales even more. So while you're chilling, eating, sleeping, whatever, Etsy is selling your ebook 24/7 and you're getting paid again and again. This is the definition of passive income. And hey, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss my next AI money-making tutorial. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming.